Why do the heathen rage and the people imagine a vain thing? The kings of the earth set themselves and the rulers they counsel together against the Lord and against his anointed, saying, let us break their bands asunder and cast away their cords from us. He that sitteth in the heavens shall laugh, the Lord shall have them in derision. Then shall he speak unto them in his sore displeasure. Yeah, or it's just a cosmic force, telepathic communication, cosmic force. Yeah, it's just a cosmic force. Hey, say it's just a cosmic telepathic communication. Whoa, see your brother when he's down, he's always wearing a frown. Yeah, try and do the best you can, for he's your brother, man. No one is perfect, and he who is perfect, let him cast the first stone. And everyone in life has phases we all go through. It's just a cosmic, yeah, cosmic, yeah, telepathic communication, cosmic force. Yes, it's just a cosmic force. Hey, it's just a cosmic, yeah, cosmic force. Whoa, my, Lord of mercy now. Well, alright. Oh, well. Blessed is the overcomer, and overcometh all things. For no one knows what a day may bring. See your brother when he's down, so he's always wearing a frown. Try and do the best you can, but he's your brother, man. No one is perfect, and he who is perfect, let him cast the first stone. Yes, everyone in life has phases we all go through, or it's just a cosmic force. Yeah, it's just a cosmic telepathic communication. Whoa, it's just a cosmic, yeah, cosmic force. It's just a cosmic telepathic communication. Yeah, cosmic force. Yes, come on, cleanliness, godliness, righteousness, manifest, clean the place where you rest. Your atmosphere is highest. Cleanliness, godliness, righteousness, manifest, clean the place where you rest. Your atmosphere is highest. Whoa, yes, yeah. Rise and shine, rise. Mankind is every day you sit down and complain, still your life remains the same. Yes, you hoping that things will work out fine, still living way out of line. There's so many things that you could do. Whoa, still you sit around and screw. But I say rise and shine, rise. Mankind, cleanliness, godliness, righteousness, manifest, clean the place where you rest. Your atmosphere is high.
In reverence to the Lord above, let's pray for love and a glorious day. Pray the world be filled with righteousness today. Let's pray for love and a glorious glorious day. With the rising of the sun, let's pray each day. Louis, there's gotta be a place on this earth whereby peace mankind abides. Let us find this place so every man can follow. Through my life I seek and pray that this place I will find. Help me, Lord, as I speak to the world. Each man be each man's keeper, each man be each man's friend. Hope for a better world in a peaceful way. Let's pray for love and a glorious day. Pray the world be filled with righteousness today. Let's pray for love and a glorious day. With the rising of the sun, let's pray each day. In this world in which we all live, where there's life then there is hope. Let us not give up, let us keep on trying to heal this world in which we all live. Forget about receiving, let's all give. Help us, Lord, and please forgive. Each man be each man's keeper, each man be each man's friend. Hope for a better world in a peaceful way. Let's pray for love and a glorious day. Pray the world be filled with righteousness today. Let's pray for love and a glorious day. With the rising of the sun, let's pray each day. Pray for love, pray for love, pray for love. Oh, yeah. Each and every man, in reverence to the Lord above, there's gotta be a place on this earth whereby peace mankind abides. Let us find this place where every man can follow. Through my life I seek and pray that this place I will find. Help me, Lord, as I speak to the world. Each man be each man's keeper, each man be each man's friend. And hope for a better
like any other man can live. Save the soul of Ethiopia. Don't let them suffer no more. Give them food, clothes, shelter. Don't let them stay like we out the door. No one gonna leave no more than capture. Now go take no private Babylon. Drive away their evil plan. But they just can't conquer the rest of man. Yeah, it's too bold and they treat their way. And now they really want to conquer me. But luckily that I was born in grave. So they ran me as a runaway slave. Save the soul of Ethiopia, Almighty. Don't let them suffer anymore. Give them food, clothes, and shelter. Never let them stay long behind the door. Boy. Let them live like any human being. Never leave no more than capture. Never take my country to Babylon. Not the devil on your plantation, but they just can't conquer the rest of my soul. Will you save the soul of Ethiopia, Lord? And don't you ever let them suffer no more. They need some food, clothes, and shelter. Bless absolutely.
Inside Romeo, all I can say is
Play a big tune, play a big tune.
Politicians fool the people, yeah. Tell you no lie, they're able. We saw the leaders of the world bow down to evil, yes. Rastaman, I want you, yeah. Tell you the whole damn world's in trouble, yeah. Consumed by their own evil, the falling angels of this world. Now that your kingdom will come down, come down. We see the wicked them and run, come. Trying to enter your kingdom, but it's too late. Them a go down in a lump sum. In a lump sum. Them laugh at Rasta. When I live Chandam, Geneva. Never take it to win words, yeah. Behold the leaders of the world fighting corruption. They're on corruption, yeah.
Don't see their lies. Pick up yourself, be wise. We fit the description and they sending they spies. Why? Ask me why. People look around you, can't you see plans for the demise? 1/5 of us must die. I will show you game aims. I've seen the plan, man. Slowly importing schemes and their dreams inside our brain. Hang. Don't get too faint, cause I could just give it bit by bit. Cause life is just too short for the like the big thing. They like us to look upon.
Come down. We see the wicked them and run, come. Trying to enter your kingdom, but it's too late. Them a go down in a lump sum. Them laugh at Rasta. When I live Chandam, Geneva. Never take it to win words, yeah. Behold the leaders of the world fighting corruption. They're on corruption.
Yes, the promised land. Oh gosh, now to the promised land. Well, make a step down to Asmara. Then we stopped in Addis Ababa. Made our way to Shashamani land. Riding on the King's Highway to the promised land. Going to the promised land. Oh gosh, to the promised land. Oh, to the promised land. Well, there's plenty of land for you and I, by and by. Lots of food to share for everyone. No time for segregation in the promised land. Oh gosh, take me to the promised land. It's the promised land, boy. That's the promised land. Oh, 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 yeah. Said we're riding on the King's Highway from Cairo to Kenya. Made a stop in Asmara. Then we made another one in Addis Ababa. The promised land. Going to the promised land. Oh gosh, save the promised land. Yeah, I'm the promised land. Oh. Then I said to myself, give a thanks for the prophet God. For he gave me the teaching so I could see the reality of my true being. And David said, there's a lot of work to be done, oh gosh, in the promised land. Yeah, talking about the promised land. Yes, to the promised land. The promised land. Going to the promised land. Oh, the promised land. I and I, all I know. I and I, all I say. I and I reconsider. I and I see hopefully that Christopher Columbus is a jam blast lion. Christopher Columbus is a jam blast lion. Yes, John. He's saying that he's the first one who discovered Jamaica. I and I say that. What about the Arawak Indians and the few black men who were down here before him? The Indians couldn't hang no longer. Here comes black man and woman and children. And in a jam down ranya. Holy pa mix up. A holy pa pedo. And have to straighten out. Christopher Columbus is a jam blasted lion. Christopher Columbus is a jam blasted lion. Yes, John. That holy place. Say they tell I have a place where no storm clouds rise. They tell I have a home far away. And they tell I have a place where nobody dies. Oh, they tell me of home, 'cause I and I take me there, where no one is dying. Take me there, where no one is crying. Take me there, oh yeah. What I want to see is the land of ancient sea. I work very hard to be there someday. My friends and family, I want to share with thee. Oh, the land of love and harmony. Yes, take me there, where no one is crying. Take me there, yes. I said take me there. Oh, take me there. Everyone is crying, praying for man. Think a little, innocent blood straight down here. Fight to think a little, innocent blood straight down here. Not by my hand, but 1 year after slave, the people were all suffering down here. And the main disease that they were all suffering from was properly known as smallpox. One man called George William Gordon was justice of the peace at Maron Bay at the time. So he sent abroad for a few of his doctor friends to come and administer unto them. Man, that George William Gordon did, they catch him and hang him with his eyeglass hand. Where? They hang him and camp in the cotton tree. And if you think I lie, just look up on the $10 bill. Boy, Jack, why you think I little, innocent blood straight down here. Do thou mercy and try the power. Why you think a little, do you think?
If life is for living, then why man I kill so? If life is for living, then why man I die so? Inna the east, inna the west, inna the north, inna the south, just pure war, day and night. No stop to this terrible crime. Fighting uptown, fighting downtown. Where is the referee? He's nowhere around. He can't be found. Too much bullets are flying. Even spectators, they can't be found. If life is for living, then why man I kill so? If life is for living, then why man I die so? Tell me why, oh tell me why. Why man I kill so? Why man I die so? The ring is big, the ring is wide. In every ring, two armies are fight. Can you imagine? None can win. Oh, what a sin. The leaders who make it are full with the devil within. In the bottomless pit, hey, they are the victim. If life is for living, then why man I kill so?
to Malcolm X, yeah. Malaikum salam, salam alaikum Allah. It's a tribute to Malcolm X. Because of Malcolm X, white men got fed. They didn't want to see black men progress. All along the way, brothers have strayed, searching to find the way. How long will it be till my black brothers see there's a hidden brutality? Malcolm X's main prospect, it was to see all men live in unity. But now he is down in the ground. His killers still haven't been found. How long will it be till my black brothers see there's a hidden brutality? Malaikum salam, salam alaikum Allah. In a tribute to brother Malcolm X, yeah. Malaikum salam, salam alaikum Allah. It's a tribute to brother Malcolm X.
Where is the black man's paradise that Marcus Garvey fought for yesterday, and we're still fighting for today? Where is the black man's paradise that Bob Marley fought for yesterday, and we're still fighting for today? Where is the black man's paradise Martin Luther King fought for yesterday, and we're still fighting for today? This may be harsh to say, but we're living in a white world. It's a statement that many fear to say, but Jah is our protector and we fear not to say. It's a prejudice world, yeah, it's a prejudice world. Where is the black man's paradise Malcolm X fought for yesterday, and we're still fighting for today? Yes, yeah. Where is the black man's paradise Naya Bingi Elders fought for yesterday, and we're still fighting for today? It's their unity and their philosophy that gives them superiority, calling us minority, and in their heart they know we're the majority. It's a prejudice world, yeah, in a prejudice world. Where is the black man's paradise Harriet Tubman fought for yesterday, and we're still fighting for today? Yes, yeah. Where is the black man's paradise Sister Nanny fought for yesterday, and we're still fighting for today? Take a moment to sit down and meditate. History will recall everything we convey. I hope the message in this song will provide the strength we need to shout it out aloud. It's a prejudice world, yeah, prejudice world, yeah. Where is the black man's paradise Nelson Mandela fights for today, Louis Farrakhan fights for today?
And what it takes to make a solution. Fighting yeah.
Didn't know that you were so untrue. You went away and made me blue. Luckily that my heart was so strong. You done me so much wrong, but I'll get along, yeah. Girlie of mine, please try me one more time. You make me feel so fine. Can't get you off my mind. Sweet life, what? Please come back. What? Listen to me. There's one the things I do. Leave me. You went away and leave me for somebody new. Don't know why you've been so unkind. Yeah. Cause you're giving me a 6 for a 9. Please, girlie of mine, try me one more time. Make me feel so fine. You almost blew my mind. Sweet life, girlie of mine, try me one more time. Me feel so fine. Never give you up. Cheer up, ooh. Lady, don't worry, I'm coming home in a hurry. Just wait on me patiently. Cheer up, ooh. My baby, don't worry, I'm coming home in a hurry. Just wait on me patiently. 2 months or more, Rastaman gone on tour, spreading the roots and reality all over the globe. I know that you miss me madly, and I surely miss you too. I tell you it won't be long before I'm coming home to you. So I say cheer up, ooh. Lady, don't worry, I'm coming home in a hurry. Just wait on me patiently. Cheer up, ooh. My baby, don't worry, I'm coming home in a hurry. Just wait on me patiently.
I feel the need for you tonight. I'm over my little apple. I'd certainly take a bite. My poor body's calling and needs attention fast. Till you're here beside me, baby. That's how long this pain's gonna last. You gotta come back home. Come back home. You gotta come back home. You gotta come back home. Can't remember how long it's been. I sure lost track of time. Don't ask me how I'm doing. I can't say I'm doing fine. My world is topsy-turvy. Everything is upside down. It's no use explaining. Got to come see what's going on. You gotta come back home. Oh, baby, you gotta come back home. You gotta come back home. You give to me, and I'll give to you. You do to me, and I'll do to you. Baby, give to me, and I'll give to you. You do to me, baby. Baby, I've gotta call you out. I feel the need for you tonight. I'm over my little apple. I'd certainly take a bite. My little body's calling and needs attention fast. Until you're here beside me, baby. That's how long it's gonna last. You gotta come back home. Baby, you gotta come back home. Ooh, listen to me, baby.
'cause I've seen the danger in your eyes, telling me something's gonna be. What is the matter? Have you found another? 'Cause I'd like to go back to my dear mother, 'cause I've seen the danger in your eyes, telling me, oh Lord, something's gonna be. Darling, see me believing, loving you and being with you, that's all I know. So don't you try pretending that it isn't so. Darling, I'm not blind, so make up your mind. There's no better time. What's deep on your mind? Girl, I've seen the danger. It's plain to see the writing on the wall. So I keep preparing to fight against it all, 'cause I've seen the danger in your eyes, telling me something's gonna be. I've seen the danger in your eyes. The danger, danger, danger. To be with you, the doctor's order. I feel a shiver. I'm feeling down and out. I'm a true believer. I know what it's all about. I know it's not the flu. It's all because of you. I feel a trembling when I wake. Come back and give another break. I feel a shiver running up my spine. This hurting feeling, it hits me all the time. Every time you go away, seems I can't live another day. Oh, my bed, it is so cold. You've got my happiness on hold. Oh, I feel a ton of joy and my heart gets warm, thinking about you, holding you, squeezing you in my arm. But as the day turns to night, loneliness gives me a fight. I'm afraid to close my eyes. Guess it's another sleepless night. Oh, the shiver, the shiver, the shiver, baby. I'm on the doctor's order. I need you badly. The remedy is you, girl. Don't you know, don't you know? I feel a shiver. I'm feeling down and out. I'm a true believer. I know what it's all about. I know it's not the flu. It's all because of you. I feel a trembling when I wake. Come back and give another break. I feel a shiver running up my spine. This lonely, lonely feeling hits me all the time. Every time you go away, seems I can't live another day. I feel a shiver when I wake. Come back and give another break. I feel a ton of joy and my heart gets warm, thinking about you, holding you, squeezing you in my arm. But as the day turns to night, loneliness gives me a fight. I'm afraid to close my eyes. Yes, it's another sleepless night. I feel a shiver, baby. Alright. I'm a true believer that it's you I'm thinking of now. I get lonely after dark, baby. So lonely.
Lord, mercy. sing I. Yeah, all I. Oh, 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 all I. Yeah, oh, yeah. Look here. There's the bright golden hay on the meadow. There's the bright golden hay on the meadow. And if the corn is as high as an elephant's eye, and it looks like it's climbing clear up to the sky. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. Yeah, howdy, howdy, hi. Got such a beautiful feeling that everything is going my way. Hey, all the sound of the earth are just like music. All of the sound of the earth are just like music. They don't shed no tears, no wonder about. But it looks like everything is coming to me. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. Yeah, howdy, howdy, hi. Got such a beautiful feeling that everything is going my way. Hey, hey now. Yeah, now. Beautiful, beautiful the morning. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, boy. Lord have mercy. Oh, now. Oh, yeah. Look it. Say there's the bright golden hay on the meadow. There's the bright golden hay on the meadow. And the corn is as high as an elephant's eye, and it looks like it's climbing clear up to the sky. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. Yeah, howdy, howdy, hi. Got such a beautiful feeling that everything is going my way. Hey, all the sound of the earth are just like music. All of the sound.
Fire down below. Fire down below. And the people them running around. And the people them running around. All who not sleep will get a cup of tea. All who not sleep will get a cup of tea. Have a little tea bag, short and stout. This is my hunger, and this is my sprout. And when I get my tea in, then I will shout. You got to tip it over the people, then you pour it out. A little fire down below. A little fire down below. Yeah, man. Fire down below. Fire down below. And the people them are running around. And the people them are running around. Are you not sleep? Will get a cup of tea. All who not see them will get a cup of tea. Have a little tea bag, short and stout. This is my hunger, and this is my sprout. And when I get my tea, then I will shout. You got to tip it over the people, then you pour it out. And then a fire down below. So fire down below. Fireman, waterman, fireman, waterman. Yeah.
No. Rasta children never born to suffer. No. Them not come here to feel no pain. No. I have picnic, them not born to suffer. No. Them not come here to wear no chain. By the sweat of your brow you shall eat bread. Young man, be careful what you put in your head. If you'd listen to what the prophet said, you would have know that this time would be dreader than dread. What is sweet to the mouth could be bitter to the belly. Sometimes the grass look to be greener on the other side. If the devil want your soul, why would you sell it? Or would you burn him in the name of Jah Rastafari? Oh, no, 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 no. Rasta children never born to suffer. No, 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 no. Them not come here to feel no pain. No. I have picnic, them no born to suffer. No. Them not come here to wear no chain. Like Christ in the wilderness, man can be tempted. Oh God.
Oh God. We came to earth and found ourselves in the west. Each day of our life we seek that life which is the best. And as we lift our eyes to the east, we see that land flowing with milk and honey. Big ship is sailing home. So come along, come along, come along. Brothers and sisters going home. We are aware and prepared now that time is here. So Africa, here we come. We're trotting to our father's land. Whoa God, Africa, here we come. We're trotting to the promised land. Everyone know Africa, here we come. We're trotting to our father's land. Whoa God, Africa, here we come. We're trotting to the promised land. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We are the rightful owners. We're gonna trample like a soldier. We're crossing all different borders, arriving at our final destination, Ethiopia, home mother of civilization. We're tired of all this persecution. Welcome us home with love and grace. Oh mama Africa, we see that smile on your face. Africa, here we come. We're trotting to our father's land. Whoa God, Africa, here we come. We're trotting to the promised land. Everyone know Africa, here we come. We're trotting to our father's land. Whoa God, Africa, here we come. We're trotting to the promised land. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No someone tell me. We're better them did know say one day the black man would rule this land. Yeah. Them woulda never take away from Mama Africa. Now the hope of the world lies in the hand of a child of a slave. See them blackness where them teachers say our classes has now become the light of hope for the masses. Check the progression, we need a leader with discretion. Martin Luther get the vision. So make we holler Segregation not go back, violence it not go back, hating not go back. Just believe me, none of them not go back. Politics it not go back. Open your eyes and see just one thing I know say. The one of them things they not go back. Get it in your brain, you will not go back. Take it from people, not decision. They tell you said them things they not go work. I just want this for the future. Hey, so make we holla, holla, holla. While I'm down feet, we put on division. So make we holla, holla, holla.
See, whoa, whoa, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Wouldn't take another day under this condition. Poor people feeling it, so there should be a solution. Mothers and fathers are crying every day. Well, so there has got to be a better way. Well, poverty, 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 yes, is a crime. Oh, poverty, poverty, poverty ain't no nursery rhyme. Well, poverty, 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 yes, is a crime. Well, poverty, poverty, poverty ain't no nursery rhyme. See, I can hear my little brother crying over yonder, and then I hear another family crash, but there's no dinner. Well, so there has gotta be a better way. Well, mothers and fathers are crying every day. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, mothers and fathers are crying, 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 crying. Why should the poor people feel it? Oh no. Here I come. With love and surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of our life. Envy no one, no wish to be with no evil man. For there'll come the day when you'll be whipped by the Father's hand. Leave up huge children. Oh yeah. Leave up past the children. Yeah. My head is anointed and my cup runneth over. Yeah. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of our life. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Here I come with love and not hatred.
him for everything which is good. Hail him for food. Hail him for shelter. Hail him for clothes. Hail him for everything, everything which is good. Hail Jah Tafari. Hail Jah Tafari. Hail Jah Tafari. Before you go to your rest, you let go. When you wake and see the light, you let go. Heal him without any apology. Heal him. Heal his imperial majesty. You heal him. Hail Jah Tafari. Hail Jah Tafari. Tafari. Hail him for guiding one. Hail him for protection. Hail him for providing us. Hail him for everything, everything which is good. Hail Jah Tafari. Hail Jah Tafari. Hail Jah. I and I don't indeed with wrong. I and I. My way is long, but the road is foggy, foggy. My way is so long, but the road is foggy, foggy. My head never swell, my heart never leak, I never have no fear from within. My head never swell, my heart never leak, I never have no fear from within, even though the road is up. So foggy, foggy, yeah, can hardly see. Jah Jah is my eyesight. Be with I, be with I. Be with I, Jah Jah. Jah Jah, be with I. I and I and I and I. They and them that Satan. They and them that fight against I. Some of them will judge I wrongfully, but never mind, my brother, I will go on. The road is so foggy, foggy. Road is so foggy, foggy. So foggy, foggy. Guide your own spirit, I and I. Going out and coming in. From all evil things and evil doers, let me tell you this accident in flow. The road is so foggy. The road is so foggy, foggy. Foggy road. Foggy, foggy, foggy road. Foggy, foggy road. Forward, my brother. No more stumbling block. Jah Jah.
all nations. I didn't possess no diamonds, no pearls, so I became one man against the world. Lord, one man against the world. Oh boy, fighting against men and people, yeah, fighting against all evil. Lord, no. Don't care where they're from or who they really are. They might win the battle, but they just won't win the war. 'Cause I am one man against the world. Oh, one man against the world. The victory is mine. Lord, no. Is that right, Baba? Fighting against conviction. Say this a one man against all nation. Why? I didn't possess no diamonds, no pearl, so I became one man against the world. Oh God, one man against the world. The victory is mine. Lord, no. Fighting against men and people, yeah. Fighting against all evil. Lord, no. But don't care where they're from or who they really are. They might win the battle, but they just won't win the war. 'Cause this year, one man against the world. Okay. One man against the world. Lord. One man against the world. Yeah.
One dance can do, one dance can listen there. After one dance on the floor, she came back wanting for more, for more. Now I don't know what it is that I've got, but she whispered it was so nice, so nice. But her man is sitting across the way, and he could hear the things I say. Now he watches from the corner of his eyes. So a move like this would be so unwise. Ooh, ooh, he's standing in my way. Standing in my way. You could see she was more than ready to make the move with me anytime. Not even thinking of the consequences, oh no, no. So I had to think quickly. 'Cause her man, his face was looking oh so mean, as if any time he could create a scene. So gently I pushed her away. Ooh, ooh, he wants to spoil the play. He's standing in my way. He's standing in my way. Whoa. Now I understand how he feels, but I wish he'd give me a little room. I know he's got himself a raw deal, ooh, but I'd like to leave with this lady soon. I didn't mean to be so unkind, but I had more than two and one was looking fine. Big spender he was, had to have his own way. stay still standing in my way. 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 That's what one dance can do. Standing in my way. One dance can do. It's not the first time you've done this to me before. And it's not the first time you packed your things and walked through my door. Yeah, oh gosh, indisciplined woman, indisciplined woman, indisciplined woman, yeah. Indisciplined woman. I've worked so hard to make you happy, never to hear you saying you're sorry. No, I said the more you're getting is the more you want. Shouldn't have loved you from the start. No way. Indisciplined woman, indisciplined woman. Indisciplined woman, yeah. Indisciplined woman. You're always telling me what your friends have got, and what they haven't got. Not because you think your love means a lot. You can't have it your own way, no way. Indisciplined woman, woo-wee, indisciplined woman. You'll have to grow, indisciplined woman, yeah, indisciplined woman. Oh, indisciplined woman. Shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty.